Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can tell, it's dark out, it's night, and the reason I'm doing this right now is because I have to get this done. Excuse the changes in the light. My hair is kind of covering my my light band around my forehead. But anyways, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be installing a fuel port and also a fuel pressure gauge. And the reason I'm doing this, besides it looking cool, is because I have to diagnose something with my fuel pump, and I want to make sure that the fuel pressure, aka the fuel pump, is actually a problem before I replace it. So I already went ahead and I let this fuel tank sit open for a bit, probably like 10-15 minutes, let the system depressurize a little bit. Hopefully that gets rid of some of the fuel like back into the tank instead of staying in the lines, so I can make it a little easier. I still have the rag just in case. So for this install, I believe you don't even need to take really anything off. All you gotta do is you don't even need to take the brace off. I'm sorry. Oh geez, actually got really muddy in here, my god. Fender liner coming soon. Anyways, all I need to do is take this piece off right here. This is the fuel regulator. All I have to do is take this off and put the port underneath it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this out for a little bit. I have the fuel port in here, and I have a thread liner. This is PTFE thread liner, which means it is gasoline resistant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the fuel pressure gauge onto this port first. And as you can maybe see a little bit right here, there's the letters NPT, and then there's 27 underneath it. So this gauge is going to go on the 27 side, not the 28. I'm not sure what the 28 side is for. However, it comes with these little things in the port. So even if you don't use the other one, you can still like keep this in there, and you can still use it as if it's normal, and it won't like leak out the other side because this is already in there. And as you can see, around the white little bit around this gold is more thread liner. So it comes with thread liner. However, I got my own because I'm not going to take it off from this one and put onto the new one. So let me do that quick. I'll probably show you that inside because it's a little windy outside, and I'll get back to you guys in a bit. All right, so what I did over the wind, if you can hear me, was I took the 27 side, I took this one out. Using the roll of PTFE tape, I wrapped it around the thread first, the thread of the pressure gauge, and then I threaded it in. So the PTFE tape is actually like very soft, so while it sticks, so it's gonna stay shut, it's very soft, so it can you can stretch it a little bit and like fit it around the threads. And at some point it's gonna get a little tight. So if you look at it from the top like this, the gauge is still like a quarter turn away. So what I saw a trick being done was I'm gonna install it, I'm gonna place it on there first, and then I'm gonna finish it up the rest of the way. And this is a 7/16 inch wrench on here. So let me see what size is needed to take these off. Probably some 10 mils, and then I'll get back to you guys once I have this off, and also have a rag underneath it just for any residual gas, just in case. So be on the lookout for that. All right, so once you take the fuel regulator out and get your hands and rag all nice and dirty with some gasoline, just give a quick wipe on the mating surface before you put anything on. So I'm gonna take these, I believe also 10 mils. I'm gonna take these out of here because, first of all, these are extended ones to make up for this. But we are placing this on top of here, slide it in like that, and then we're putting this on top. There we go. Now it's just time to thread it in. Holy crap, it's windy. Okay. So one goes in and the other goes in. Also, if this regulator is a little difficult to get out from its original spot, using the power of leverage, get your screwdriver flathead tip underneath there and pry up a little bit. Not too much, you don't want to damage any metal or anything. Just to ease it a little bit, encourage it a little bit to try to get it released. So, and torque spec is tight, so, well, snug, I guess. So I'm tightening that down. Now I'll get to the other side. That's nice and good. Also, now I can finish using my 7/16 wrench to kind of tighten this down a bit. There we go. Look how beautiful this looks. It's all tightened down. This is facing the right way. You know what? I might give it just another slight squeeze just to make it perfect. And there. So now that this is all done, everything else is the same, I'm gonna close up the fuel tank over there and turn it on and see how it looks. All right, so a moment of truth. I also have to make sure that there are no leaks or anything that come from that. So let me prime it at least first.
Waiting for connect.
I'm gonna turn it off. Okay, I don't see any leaks or anything. Awesome. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but this is fluctuating a lot. It's going between like, it's hovering around like 55 PSI for now, but it's like the needle is spinning really fast, if you guys can tell. I'm not sure if that means it's okay or not okay. Oh, it just spiked up to 65, okay. But yeah, that's my fuel pressure gauge installed. So I'm just gonna record the gauge while I have the headlamp here looking at it. I'm gonna look back into recordings later and see if it fluctuates when I get on the gas a little bit. So let's see. Yeah, there's no really easy way to do this unless someone's looking for me, but yeah. I don't even know if the frames are picking all this up, but it's not supposed to be fluctuating this much. So I think I might have a problem with my fuel pump. So that means I believe I have to order a new fuel pump, which is yeah, $145 more down the drain. But anyways, that is how on these VQ engines, I believe the VQ35 has the same thing. That is how you install this VQ fuel port and also attach a fuel pressure gauge onto the port. Recommended, well, first you put PTFE thread liner around the threads of the fuel pressure gauge. Then recommended to tighten as much as you can first before you install it here. And then you finish it up the last bit with the wrench. So this is more kind of like a quote-unquote cool mod, while at the same time helping me show what's wrong with my car, if anything. And from the way that's like keep on jiggling back and forth, I believe there is quite a bit wrong with my car. So that's gonna end the video for today. Well, tonight. Like and subscribe. I'll try to have some more VQ content out as much as I can. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.